the same, never change for nothing. It's all I know, never learned much more. Mama called me destructive. Oh yeah.
Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to talk about the Vivo V15.
Cause every woman that loved me. Oh yeah. I seem to put.
So guys, we will start off with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Vivo V15, and inside what you get firstly is the hard case cover for this one, the SIM tray removal tool, and you also get the warranty card documentation. The hard case cover is really good for this smartphone, and this is the glamour red color for the smartphone. And on the inside, what else do you get? You get the fast charger for this particular smartphone, and apart from that you get the micro USB cable along with the Apple EarPods style earphones, which sound okay but not really the best in class. Now let's talk about the build and design. At the back there's a very nice glittery finish and there's a gradient design and it's a polycarbonate body. At the front there's the 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It's a full view display, and at the bottom there's a very tiny small chin, and at the bottom you get the micro USB port along with the 3.5mm jack, primary microphone and the speaker grill. On the left hand side there's the dedicated Google button along with the dedicated micro SD card slot containing SIM tray slot, and at the top there's the pop-up selfie camera along with the secondary microphone for this one. There's a triple camera sensor at the back, and the back slightly protrudes out because of all of those sensors. And if we talk about the specifications, on the inside it comes with the Helio P70 chipset, 6GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage, comes with almost all of the sensors required for a great smartphone experience. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and we'll talk about the battery life later. Let's talk about the gaming and performance. So we tried to play a lot of modern games on this one. The Helio P70 is a good enough chipset for playing something like GTA San Andreas on maximum possible settings, and we also tried to play PUBG Players Unknown's Battlegrounds on this one, and it was playable on medium settings. Ultra frame rate along with HD graphics is possible, but if you play that for a long period of time the smartphone does get a little bit heated, so I would recommend ultra frame rate along with the smooth setting, and that way the gameplay is really good. The heating was up to acceptable levels, not really that high, and the room that we were in was around 26 degrees Celsius, so it was okay. If we talk about the benchmark performance, the Helio P70 is something that we have seen a lot of times on a lot of different smartphones, and the performance on this one is also near that performance level, not really too great or something to write home about. The internal storage is also decent in terms of the speed. And now let's talk about the camera quality. The primary sensor is a 24 megapixel one with a 1x2.8 inch sensor, f1.78 aperture, 1.28 micrometer dual pixel focusing, and there's a 8 megapixel 120 degree ultra wide sensor. The selfie camera is a 32 megapixel one with a f2.0 aperture, and all of the pictures were quite good. It also comes with very different modes, like there's also a mode wherein you can adjust the looks of your body. That's really great. In the selfies there are a lot of other different modes in order to have different portrait lighting effects, and also I like the overall modes that were offered in this. There's no face unlock in this smartphone because the camera sensor is not that fast when it comes out. The face unlock is not supported on this one like the V15 Pro. But if I talk about the camera quality, the images were quite good, the dynamic range was on point, color reproduction was quite good, and I felt the saturation was slightly higher, but still a lot of people would prefer these punchy photographs over pictures which are really flat, and I also found them really good. The selfies were exceptional, and I can easily say that the monochrome mode and few other modes on the selfie camera really make the pictures stand out. There's no 4K video recording, that's something bad about the smartphone. And if I talk about the video recording capabilities, it can shoot video in 1080p, and with the primary sensor it's stabilized video, but with the wide sensor it's not that much stabilized video, and there's no EIS etc in that, so that looks really bad. And if I talk about the front camera, it also didn't look really that much stabilized, the 1080p video from the front camera. It supports slow motion videos as well as time-lapse videos, so that's a positive plus point for the smartphone. And if we talk about the UI and features, it comes with Fun Touch OS based on the latest version of Android. It has features like dark mode etc. It takes 2 hours to charge fully from 0 to 100, and a battery life of up to 1.5 to 2 days is easily possible on this one. The OS is something which is more of a personal choice for a lot of people, and the polycarbonate body gets scratches and smudges very easily. Full screen video playback is possible, and it looks really great on this phone as the display is nice edge to edge, and wideband L1 support is not present on this one, so HD content on Netflix and Amazon Prime is not possible. And Cam 2 API is supported on this one, but working Gcam version was nowhere to be found, so we need more support for that. And the price for the smartphone would be around 23,990 rupees in India, and for such a price it's slightly tough to recommend a phone like this because there are other better options out there in the market for the similar price. And if we talk about the primary selling points for this smartphone is the fact that it comes with a full view display, and also the fact that when you use this smartphone you get a nice battery life and a good camera experience. Otherwise, the chipset on this one is not really the best performing chipset for a price of around 24k, and you can get something even more powerful at around 14 or 15k INR. So that's something which you have to factor in while making your purchase decision. The fingerprint sensor on this one was fast. It supports USB OTG, dual band Wi-Fi, but there is no Bluetooth 5.0. Still has the micro USB port, and there are few other issues with this smartphone. The sound output was good, but if you look at everything and if you think about whether or not you want a specific full view display smartphone in this price range, that would determine your final purchase decision. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.